Basil Salvador Valdez, born November 8, 1951, is a Filipino singer. He has received several Tindig Awards and the 1991 Tangla and Gilahi Award from Ateneo de Manila University. Valdez recalled in a 2024 interview that his impromptu performance in a Catholic retreat, which he attended while being a college freshman, marked the beginning of his journey. Despite he barely knew to play the guitar that time, he substituted for the designated guitarist who had fell ill. He played and sang continuously until he ran out of songs and ended singing The Fool on the Hill by the Beatles and Alfie by Dionne Warwick. Valdez became the leading balladeer as original Filipino music OPM flourished in the 1970s. He was a member of the Circus Band, which also produced other soloists including Haji Alejandro, Tilly Marino, Jackie Magno, Pat Costilla, Pabs de Divas, and Richard Tan. It was Valdez who recruited Alejandro to the band after the latter's performance in Ateneo de Manila University, where the former and his fellow alumni, APA Hiking Society, were among the guests. The band was to conduct for a nationwide campus tour. After the breakup of the band, Valdez, Alejandro, and Marino briefly formed another band, Love Life, until they became solo artists. Valdez has been a recording artist since 1977 when he recorded Engayon at Kailanman, a wedding song, and the album containing it. He interpreted the works by composers Ryan Cayabyab, his longtime musical director, and George Canseco. He also have collaboration with Willie Cruz, a composer and conductor, as well as Louis Ocampo and composer Nani Cuenco. Valdez's other works include Let the Pain Remain, Nako, and Salaman Ng Bahay. Some of his songs became movie themes from the 1980s. Valdez has praying first every performance since the 1970s. By 2024, he is focusing on church performances and corporate shows. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 vlogs.